Hey guys, welcome back to Divasraj Vimal YouTube channel. And from last 2 Mondays, I did not uploaded any videos as I was busy with my college exams. But now college exams are over, and I was thinking, what should I do next? And I realized that it's been so long that I created any game of my own. And since now I have a time before my next college semester starts, give myself a little challenge. So I came up with the challenge of creating a game in 3 days. 3 days. So before coming up with the idea of this game, I didn't have any idea for some time at least, and then I started seeing other games on Playstore for some inspiration. But there was nothing I can make in 3 days. Uh, So it is 1st December, so it's 7 o'clock. So that means we have time till 4 December, 7 o'clock. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with creating a new game project, and I have thought a very cool name for this game. Cool Shot. Yes. Let's set up the project quickly for Android, as I will be making this game for Android. But at first, all the ideas which are coming to my mind, I will break them down in some executable tasks and write a to-do list so that I don't miss any cool feature. So to-do list is complete, and now let's get to work. Now I will create a nice looking character in Photoshop. So now we have a powerful looking hero. Triangle. So after coding some basic movement of the player with joystick, I got the player movement done. And now with some more code, we are up with 2 joysticks, left one for movement and right one for rotating and shooting. It's 2nd December and it's Wednesday. So now let's move forward with our game. But now shooting is not looking pretty well, as with this kind of shooting ability you will just harass the enemy and you will be unbeatable. So now I have to fix this. So after fixing the shooting, it is looking pretty well, and now you cannot shoot like 30 bullets per second and enemies will have some chance to attack you. So these are all 5 kinds of enemies you have to destroy, and then you will get some points. And I think enemies have came up with their army and they are looking very aggressive. So after fixing the spawning issue, it is looking little manageable, and I think you will be able to manage if you are a pro gamer like me. It's 3rd December, Thursday, and I think I have completed the core work of the game. So now let's move forward. After adding the health system, coin and score, it's time to make game look good. And with my creative mind, I came up with a pretty good and cool background and added some lightings in the game. So now the game looks amazing as compared to the initial one, and these are some coins which you can collect to unlock some great abilities, and those checkpoints you should collect, otherwise you will lose a big chunk of your health. So make sure to collect all those checkpoints before they disappear. I set up a good looking basic menu, and in that empty white space on left I will add images which will look very cool and amazing. At this moment only the play button is working, and I will add settings and shop menu. I will add later. After adding some effects in the menu scene, now it is also looking good. Now I will work a little more on game over screen to make it look nice. So after some customization with the game over screen, now it looks nice. As coin was not looking like a coin, so I decided to change that image and came up with this image, and I think you know what D stands for. There are some features left in the game like image in the main menu, shop system and settings button are also not working. So I will add those features later. After releasing the game on Play Store, I will put the link in the description for you to play. If you want, you can download it, and you have to download it. Really. Just kidding. If you like this video, press the like button. If you did not, press the dislike button, and press jump or do anything but press the subscribe button and the bell icon. I don't know, but it should say subscribe. At this moment my high score is 25,700 something. Let's see if you can break that record. Tell me in the comment section below about your opinions to the game and towards this video. Till then, bye bye.